So anyways, this is the final look. Hi! Super cute. We look cute with the wrap on. We look cute with just like a little scarf thing. Okay, I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to get this done before my daughter wakes up, you know? And all my cups are dirty, so orange juice is all mine, baby. So I'm thinking green. This is my inspo picture that I found on Pinterest. I'm gonna put it up. Let's get it. I gotta do this before my daughter wakes up. I mean, she might wake up and then I have her running around. We'll see. But we're gonna start with the brows. And we're using, what are we using? Sorry, this is dirty, but yeah. The Brow Freeze, you know, a favorite of everyone's. So I have two concealers that I like right now, and this is my favorite one, this Newstick one, because it's like total match to my skin. But this one has, I like the coverage of this stuff. It's a little bit lighter, so we are going, and this is by this is by It Cosmetics. It's the Bye Bye Under Eye, and if you've used it, you know it's kind of tacky. It's a little tacky, and that's why I kind of like it underneath the eyebrows. So, and it's my lighter color of the two, so. Eyeshadow primer, I'm going to try. Ooh, wasn't expecting it to be that consistency. I put way too much, like I wasted a whole bunch, like look. Because I thought that it was gonna be harder to squeeze out. Wait, what is this? So this primer is by Ashley Cosmetics. They were nice to send me a whole box of stuff. So we're gonna use the eyeshadow palette by them as well. I'll link everything down below if you're interested. Ooh, we're gonna use this palette. We're gonna use these green tones to try to recreate that look, and let's get it popping. This is the South Beach. Start with Iguana right here, and we're gonna go at it. I hope there's nothing on this brush already because I did not wash them, but it's okay. I love green. Green is one of my favorite colors, and I love green eyeshadow. Green and orange. Orange is my top fave, but green is a close second, so is yellow. I'm going in with the darker green called Palm Tree, and I'm gonna put that all over. I'm gonna use a different brush. Okay, I'm not gonna blend it out as far up as I did the light green, but I am blending it in the inner corner a little bit further than I did. She be having a little bit of yellow in there. So I'm using that darker green, the Palm Tree green, right in the outer corners. The picture, she doesn't have eyeliner, but a bitch is tempted. We're using the color, what is it called, Yacht? Yeah, and it's like a gold. It's like a yellowy gold. We're gonna slap that bitch up on there, right here. I'm like, I need a brush. I need a brush. You're all I need. So I'm gonna try the light olive. This is by Thread Beauty or Thread University or Thread something. They're vegan though, so link is in the bio of everything I'm using. This is in the color light olive. This is a foundation stick or a contour stick, complexion stick, whatever you want it to be. And I think this will be the closest. This might be a little dark actually. I might have to get the lighter one. This is the lightest one they sent me, so let's see. That's actually not bad. Like color-wise, I was expecting way worse. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put them here, 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 here. We'll start with that. And then I'm just gonna get my beauty blender, little Mr-Roni and cheese, you feel me? And we're gonna see how this goes. This is a good color. I actually feel like I need more though. This is definitely full coverage. It's a stick, so it's a cream. I like more of a liquidy texture and a more sheer finish, but that is all right. We will be full coverage. Okay, I wonder what this looks like on camera. I guess I have a little bit more, this is a little bit more yellow tone, but I love it. Now, should I use this as my concealer too? No. Let's see, let's try it, It's very, very creamy. That's what I'm worried about though. I don't want it to, I don't want it to crease. So this stuff, you can get it at Target. I know that. I think that's the only place you can get it. I think, besides their website, but do not quote me. Okay. I also got 90 and 70, these colors in contour shades. Very similar in color, I'll show you. But they are, one is a little bit darker than the other. I did use one already before. You can see one is darker than the other. This is the darker one, this is the lighter one. But we're gonna be wearing this one, 70. It is color tan neutral, and that's what we're gonna contour with today, ladies and gents. Okay, let's get it poppin'. I normally for me, I like to contour kind of from the top of my ear going down toward my mouth, but I don't take it all the way down. I kind of just take it to here, okay? Not too much. And then I do kind of get in my hairline because, you know, white scalp. Nose contouring is really hard for me, I'm not gonna front. But I do it sometimes. So I'm gonna use this as my blush. And I'm gonna place it right here. This is a multi-stick. You can use this as like an eyeshadow, so I assume you can use it as a blush as well. I chose this color because it's actually really freaking pretty. Y'all, can you see it? Pretty as fuck. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Spray my whole face again before I blend. Okay, that's pretty. This blends really well, I'm not gonna lie. It's really just on this side that I feel like I need a little bit of contouring. The other side's kind of fine, but to make it even, I guess. Can y'all hear my baby on the monitor? I use a MAC pressed powder in the shade NC40. This is actually not my right shade. I need a little bit of a different color, but that's okay. This is what we're using right now. And I'm only using this underneath my eyes to set. If you like to use a translucent, use a translucent, or if you like a loose powder, use a loose powder. But I tend to like a pressed powder. Just adds a little bit more coverage. And since I normally don't use a full coverage foundation, but I still technically wear full coverage makeup, it kind of does the coverage for me, you feel me? This is Jaclyn Hill's luminous powder in the shade, I don't know, but I'll link it in the bio. I've set the rest of my face with this. That way the rest of my face doesn't get matte, because this is matte and I don't really want to be fully matte. I just want underneath my eyes to be matte. Whole bunch of lashes that we can choose from. Some of them, there's one pair I already have open. These ones, super big, super wispy, super long. I'm thinking we should try these ones because they're a little bit different from my normal style, and we like to, you know, try new things. So these lashes are by Mink Envy. You can find them on Instagram at Mink Envy by Ash, I think. I will link it down below. My only glue that I have is black, so that kind of sucks, and it's duo, so that sucks worse because I hate duo. Also apply bronzer on my nose, like sweeping across kind of, very lightly, just like the leftover after I've done the rest of my face. So this blush, old as fuck, it's from Milani? Why does that not sound right? You know, that brand. I also apply my blush right on my nose as well. I like to put my blush right here because it kind of mimics... Are you done? It kind of mimics a sunburn, and that's kind of what I'm going for. She's cute. She wants to get her makeup done too. Yeah, mommy's doing her makeup. You want to see? Yeah, you want to see? Wawa. Just woke up from her nap. You're welcome. Wow. You're welcome. Good job. You're so good. Hello? Who's on the phone? You are the best highlighter out there. If you don't know what it is, you do now. Benefits highlighter in Cookie, in shade Cookie Dogs. This is the best. I love this highlighter. This is the one. Brushes. Don't tell me not to glow, 'cause I'm gonna glow anyway. That's how I feel. That's what I want to sing to my damn educator in beauty school, who was like, Anya, he's like, Anya, you wear too much highlight. The fuck is wrong with you? Like, what is your problem? She really had a problem with my highlighter. She was always picking on me about it. And I was like, look, bitch, it's not my fault that you don't glow. 7 years later, 7, 6, I don't know. Still highlighting it up. Can't tell me shit. This color, let's try this color. This is a pretty color. I'm digging this color. They have gloss. So we're gonna put this gloss on top of it. Also by Thread University, or Thread. I'm just gonna call them Thread. I don't know. There's a lot of words going on this box, and I'm not really sure. I'm never gonna give gloss up. I don't really do the whole matte thing. You like this gloss? That's what I'm saying, girl. Sticky. That's what I love. I love a gloss that isn't sticky. What's wrong? You want my mascara wand? Girl, I cannot. What about this? Can I have this? It's funny because I remember when I first started wearing makeup, I would refuse to wear mascara, period. Or lashes, just eyeliner, period. None. I was like, nah, I don't like the way that it looks. I was like, what? Looking back, I'm like, you are fucking insane. Stop it. Just stop it. So anyways, this is the final look. Hi! Okay, so I really like the hair. Super cute. It would look cute with the wrap on. It would look cute with just like a little score thing. Super cute. Love the green. Gonna take lots of pictures. You can see it on Instagram today because I'm sure that was already posted before this because it's taking me a while to get through these YouTube videos, but I am filming them because this is the proof. Don't play no games with me. Come here, crazy baby. You wanna say goodbye?
Wow!
Wow, yeah. Are you ready for lunch?
Wow! Wow!
All right, well, thank you for watching. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video.
Wow!
Are you done?
Wow!
Yeah, that lip gloss is popping, I know.